Best Pickleball Paddles. Are you looking for the best pickleball paddles? In this video we will look at some of the best pickleball paddles on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. The SLK Halo pickleball paddles are high-performance paddles designed for players seeking a balance of spin, control, and consistency on the court. Available in Halo Pro and Halo Control variants, these paddles cater to diverse playing styles and skill levels. A standout feature of the SLK Halo series is its carbon fiber face, engineered to enhance spin and precision. This surface, combined with a RevCore Power polymer core, delivers a unique blend of power and control, making the paddle highly responsive during gameplay. The polymer core optimizes energy transfer, ensuring consistent performance in both offensive and defensive plays. The Halo Control model prioritizes finesse and touch, ideal for players focusing on strategic placement and accuracy. Meanwhile, the Halo Pro version is tailored for those who prefer more aggressive shots with enhanced power and spin potential. Ergonomics are also well considered, with a comfortable grip that reduces strain and enhances handling. This design allows for prolonged play without compromising on performance or comfort. The SLK Halo paddles are crafted with durability in mind, ensuring long-lasting performance even with frequent use. Their lightweight construction aids maneuverability, enabling quick reactions and precise shot execution. In summary, the SLK Halo pickleball paddles stand out for their innovative materials, advanced core technology, and versatility. Whether you're aiming for maximum spin, control, or all-around performance, these paddles deliver a competitive edge for recreational and professional players alike. Number 2. This USAPA-approved fiberglass pickleball paddles set is designed for both men and women, offering a well-rounded option for beginners and intermediate players. The set provides all the essentials for a game-ready experience, including high-quality paddles and additional accessories for convenience. The paddles feature a fiberglass surface, which enhances control and accuracy while providing a soft yet responsive feel. This surface helps players maintain precision during volleys and dinks while offering sufficient power for offensive shots. The paddle's lightweight construction improves maneuverability, reducing fatigue during extended gameplay. The core of the paddles is typically made of a polymer honeycomb, which ensures durability and consistent performance. This core technology balances power and control, making the paddles suitable for a variety of playing styles. The ergonomic handles provide a comfortable and secure grip, minimizing hand strain and enabling better control during intense matches. The paddles are built to withstand regular use while maintaining their performance, making them a reliable choice for recreational or competitive play. This set is ideal for men and women looking to enjoy pickleball with friends or family, as it typically includes multiple paddles and balls, ensuring you have everything you need to start playing. The paddles are USAPA approved, signifying their compliance with official standards for competitive play. In summary, this fiberglass pickleball paddle set offers excellent value with durable construction, responsive gameplay, and comfortable handling. It's a great choice for anyone seeking an affordable and versatile option to elevate their pickleball experience. Number 3. The Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle is a comprehensive set designed for players of all skill levels, combining high-quality equipment with exceptional value. The bundle includes 2 paddles, 3 pickleballs, and 1 carrying bag, making it perfect for casual or competitive play. The paddles feature a G4 graphite face, known for its lightweight yet durable properties. This material enhances shot precision and provides a smooth, responsive feel, making it ideal for controlled volleys and powerful drives. The polymer RevCore at the heart of the paddle offers a balanced mix of power and control, ensuring consistent performance during gameplay. The polymer core also helps reduce vibrations, providing a comfortable experience even during extended matches. Designed with ergonomics in mind, the paddles have a comfortable grip that ensures a secure hold and minimizes fatigue, making them suitable for prolonged play. The graphite construction contributes to the paddle's durability, ensuring it stands up to rigorous use over time. The included 3 pickleballs are designed for reliability and performance, while the carrying bag adds convenience, keeping your equipment organized and portable. Proudly designed in the USA, the Selkirk SLK Latitude paddles meet high standards of craftsmanship and quality, ensuring players receive reliable and durable equipment. This bundle is ideal for those looking to enjoy pickleball with friends or family, providing everything needed for a game-ready experience. In summary, the Selkirk SLK Latitude Pickleball Bundle delivers an excellent combination of quality and value. With its high-performance paddles, durable balls, and practical carrying bag, it is an excellent choice for anyone seeking to elevate their pickleball experience. Number 4. The Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle is a versatile and high-performing paddle designed for players seeking precision, power, and comfort on the court. Its standout feature is the graphite carbon fiber face, which offers exceptional responsiveness and control, making it a great choice for both beginners and advanced players. The paddle's lightweight construction enhances maneuverability, allowing quick reactions and precise shot placement. The graphite face provides a balance of touch and power, giving players an edge in dinks, volleys, and drives. Whether you're playing defensively or aggressively, the Mod Z5 adapts seamlessly to your style. Comfort is a key focus with the Cushion Comfort Grip, which reduces hand fatigue during extended gameplay. This ergonomic design ensures a secure hold, enabling better control and confidence with every swing. The paddle's overall design prioritizes ease of use, making it a reliable option for all levels of play. Built with durability in mind, the Onix Mod Z5 is designed to withstand regular use while maintaining consistent performance. Its construction ensures long-term reliability, even in competitive matches. In summary, the Onix Graphite Mod Z5 Pickleball Paddle combines advanced materials with thoughtful design to deliver a paddle that excels in control, power, and comfort. Ideal for players of all skill levels, it offers a premium playing experience for those looking to elevate their game. Number 5. The Joola Essentials Pickleball Paddle is designed to provide players with a balance of durability, performance, and affordability. Its standout features include a reinforced fiberglass surface and a honeycomb polypropylene core, which together deliver a combination of power, control, and precision suitable for players of all skill levels. The reinforced fiberglass surface enhances responsiveness, making it easier to execute controlled shots and powerful drives. This surface is lightweight yet sturdy, offering an excellent blend of touch and durability for consistent performance during gameplay. The honeycomb polypropylene core provides a soft feel and reduces vibrations, ensuring a comfortable playing experience even during extended matches. This core technology also supports a balanced mix of control and power, allowing players to adapt their style for both offensive and defensive plays. Ergonomically designed, the paddle features a comfortable grip that ensures a secure hold and reduces hand strain. Its lightweight construction aids in quick maneuverability, making it easier to handle during fast-paced games. With its durable materials and thoughtful design, the Joola Essentials paddle is built to withstand regular use while maintaining its performance. It's an excellent choice for recreational players seeking a reliable paddle or competitive players looking for a cost-effective option without compromising quality. In summary, the Joola Essentials Pickleball Paddle combines a high-quality fiberglass surface, a vibration-dampening core, and a comfortable grip to offer a versatile and durable paddle. It is ideal for players at all levels who want an affordable yet performance-oriented option to enhance their pickleball experience.